Hi there, this is Steve at STO N SHO. We're out at the Mazda dealership today. We're doing a fitment on a CX-90. This is a 24. And this is going to be lower center mount. Fortunately, there's factory screws on this one, so it will be a no drill. And as always, all these fitments are vehicle specific. So this bracket fits this car and will not fit any other Mazda. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and get started here. I'm going to turn it over to Mike.
All right. Thanks, Steve. As Steve said, there are fasteners we're going to be able to take advantage of. So we're going to be removing 2 factory screws. We will not be reusing them though. However, we're going to use a long one because you can see they're kind of recessed in there. So the bracket's going to lay flat across there. So okay, now we're going to remove the 2 factory screws. And again, like I said before, these are not going to be reused. We're going to go ahead and take those off and put them off to the side. We're going to be using 2 4.8 by 25s along with some 1/8 inch spacers. Now the spacers are just going to be to fill up that gap like right here. So we're going to put the fastener through the base plate, the spacer on top, and then start to screw. And it's really important that you always start both sides. Don't try to tighten one side up and then the other, because there's a metal J-clips going to, and there's some play, and you can end up causing yourself some problems with getting it to start. So just start both sides, and once you start both sides, then you can go ahead and give her a go ahead and tighten her up there. There you go. So then, and these are going into a metal J-clip, so don't be afraid to tighten them up. I mean, you can over tighten them, but as you can see, I'm putting a pretty good turn on them, and they're snugging up pretty good. So there should be never a reason why this bracket just falls off. The only reason that would happen is if you didn't tighten them to begin with. So once the base plate's on, then you're going to take your front plate, start it in, pull the ring on the pull pin, push it till it clicks into place, and there you go.
And remember to periodically lubricate your pull pin. And also, if you go through a car wash, make sure that you remove the front plate because you will damage it. And so let me get a front shot here, and yeah, your license plate's going to go on that front plate there, and you're all done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.